my potential inside.
Today I pledge
You are the best.
with all my might
With all my might,
I shall achieve you
I shall achieve you
my potential insight.
my potential inside.
Okay, very good. Keep standing for the warm-up activity. Good morning, Varsha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
What's going on?
Run, run, run.
Break it.
Run, 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 run.
Break it.
Very good. Now all of you go drink one glass of water and come back.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Maradhyani.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
morning,
Good morning, Saraswapika.
Good morning, Vanilla, ma'am.
Good morning, Nihan.
Good morning, Vanilla, ma'am.
Good morning, Varsha.
சரி வா வந்து உட்காரு இங்க வா இங்க வா அங்கே குடியா உட்காரு
Very good, Vishwan. Next.
மெதுவா
Very good, Hazel. Next.
Ma'am.
Very good, Jason. Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ragyani. Next. Rudvin. Rudvin is not there. Okay. Next. Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Sukri Gautam. Next.
Yeah,
Very good, Visha. Next.
ma'am.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Next.
Magil. Good. Here I am, Mansur.
Very good, Maheli. Next.
No.
Very good, Mitra. Next. Good, Dharneshwar. Next. Very good, Varsha. Next. Vihan. Very good, Vihan. Next. Very good, Madhvanti. Thank you, children. Parents, first we'll finish the flower. We'll stick it in a satin ribbon and then we'll continue the activity. Okay. First, I asked you to make a small square size paper, right, parents? Yes, 3 colors, small square size paper. Arrange it together, all the 3 sides, arrange it together, fold it into a triangle. Children can't do, you can do the flower first, parents, let them stick it. Because they can't fold the triangles and all, so you can do it. Let them stick the flower, okay? First triangle, sharpen down, and the sleeping line pattern like this, fold it again. This is the second fold. Yes. Again, third fold. Like this. The sharp end should be this side, like this. And again fold it. Yes. Now you have the open here, right? You can open the triangle, right? That side you cut like a petal. From here to here. Like a petal you cut it. Ippadi. Want me to draw and show? You have here, right? The open here. Here. இந்த மாதிரி கட் பண்ணுங்க. Can you see? Parents, can you see?
Maybe,
In
ma'am,
the triangle.
maybe from first one more time.
Open partல இருந்து இப்படி பெட்டல் வரைவோம் இல்லையா, இப்படி ஒரு கர்வ் வரைவோம்ல, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கர்வ்ல கட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா போதும்.
Ma'am,
Then you will get this type of shape, this type of flower. 3 flowers you will get.
ma'am, can you just do it one more time? No?
You want me to show one more time? Yeah, one minute. Square size paper, first fold you have folded.
Yeah.
First fold, square size paper. Second fold, again one time. Like this it should be. Second fold.
Okay.
Again fold it. 3 6.
Okay.
Okay. Again fold it. Like this itself, let it be, again you fold it. You will get an open like this. Here it will be, you can open the triangle like this.
Yep.
The open இருக்க இடத்துல you draw a curve. இந்த பெரிய பார்ட் எடுத்துருங்க, இங்க ஒரு பிளாட்டான பகுதி இருக்கா, அங்க இருந்து ஒரு curve. Curve like this and cut it. Okay. From the open part you have to do.
Up dog.
Like this.
Ma'am,
Open பண்ணீங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரி petals மாதிரி இருக்கணும். When you open it fully, it will be a full flower like this.
மேம் இந்த ஏரியால சொல்றீங்களா கட் பண்ணது?
Open இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா? Fold
ஆமா.
பண்ணணும். First fold, second fold,
ஆ,
okay. Third fold,
ஆ,
fourth fold மடிக்கிறீங்களா?
ஆ,
Fourth fold இப்படி மடிச்சிட்டீங்க இல்லையா?
ஆ.
அப்ப இங்க ஒரு இந்த ஓப்பனிங் இருக்கா?
ஆ, ஆமா.
ஓப்பனா plain space இருக்கா?
ஆ, ஆ.
இந்த plain spaceல இந்த எண்ட்ல இருந்து கீழ இருந்து மேல இங்க இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க ஒரு பெட்டல் மாதிரி வரையறதுக்கு.
ஆ, ஓகே.
அவ்வளவுதான். இந்த ஓப்பன் எண்ட் இருக்கு இல்லையா, கீழ இருந்து இப்படி வரைஞ்சீங்கன்னா பெட்டல்ஸ் வந்துடும். இல்லைன்னா பெட்டல்ஸ் ஓப்பன் ஆகாது, தனித்தனியா ஆயிடும்.
ஓ, இங்க இருந்து
ஓப்பன் இல்லாம இந்த பக்கம் கட் பண்ணாதீங்க.
ஓகே. ஓபன் இருக்கிற இதுல.
ஓப்பன் இருக்கிற சைடுல இந்த பக்கமா ஒரு பெட்டல் வரைங்க, பேக்வர்ட்ஸ்ல.
ஓ, இப்படி. ஓ.
And then when you cut it, ஓப்பன்ல இருந்து கட் பண்ணனும். ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா கூட கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா கூட நீங்க ட்ரையாங்கிள் கட் பண்ற மாதிரி ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா கூட ஒரு ஸ்லாண்டிங் லைன் கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Very good. Ananya's mom has done very good.
Ma'am, like this.
Very good. Yeah, very good. Keshav's mom correct only. But the shape is different. It will be like this. It depends upon the shape of you cut. If you cut like a curve, it will be like that flower. If you cut like a slanting line, you will get like this.
Okay.
No problem. It's beautiful. Don't worry.
மேம் கட் பண்ணி
You have no. Now give it to the children. Red, green, and yellow.
We have
Yes,
to
the bottom part should be red. Sorry?
வர மாட்டேங்குது.
we have to separate it and give it to them, ma'am.
Yeah, separate the flower. First flower should be red.
Okay.
Next it should be green. And next it should be yellow.
Okay.
The top color should be yellow.
Okay.
ரெண்டு இருக்கு.
Mahini's dad உங்களுக்கு வரலனா ஒரு பூ வரைஞ்சி
Ma'am.
கட் பண்ணிடுங்க. Fine.
Ma'am, is these colors are okay, ma'am?
Sorry?
அப்பா
These colors are okay?
Yeah, okay. Whatever color you have, you can use.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, fine.
இந்த ஒரு ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் இருக்கு.
Yes. Dark color, keep it down. The center part should be light color because you are going to stick a button. If you don't have a button, don't worry. You can draw it with a sketch. I have a button, so I have sticked it. 3 flowers. Ask the children to stick it, parents. First red, next is green, and next is yellow. Just apply the glue and let them stick. Finally, stick the button and then stick it in the satin ribbon. If you don't have a satin ribbon, you can use a woolen thread also. Stick it, Masukri. Slowly you stick it. Take a small piece of satin ribbon and stick it in the middle. Very good, Ananya. நல்லா மூணு கலரும் தெரியற மாதிரி ஸ்டிக் பண்ணுங்க, ஓவர்லாப் ஆகாம. திருப்பி திருப்பி. See, you can see 3 colors here. Yes? Alternative outunga. Very nice flower, Miley's dad. Super.
நீங்க ஒரு புது ஃப்ளவர். நீங்க
எப்படி மேனேஜ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க, பரவாயில்ல.
ஓகே.
Center 1 point glue is enough. Otherwise the whole flower will stick. Centerல ஒரு drop glue மட்டும் விட்டு ஒட்டுங்க போதும். No need to stick the whole flower. இல்லனா இப்படி பிரியாது flower. சென்டர்ல ஒரு drop மட்டும் விட்டா போதும் glue. At last stick a button, press it. If you apply only less amount of Fevicol, it will dry up quickly. Otherwise, it will take time.
Okay.
Satin ribbon.
Look here.
See, one drop like this is enough. Yeah, very good, Sukhdev. Stick it in the satin ribbon, ma. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay, I'll get ribbon.
Narendra Pandita, ma'am, see here. Done. All finished. Sticking part you can do it, children. Sticking part la neengale pannalam. It's easy only. Only the cutting part your parents need to do. Okay? Sticking part you yourself do it. Neengale pannunga, then only it will be nice to see. If you don't have a button, if you have a sketch pen, also draw a circle like this in the middle. Yes, Ananya's Rakhi is ready. Sukhdev Gautam's Rakhi is ready. Keshav, where is your Rakhi, Keshav? Wow, Radhyani, wonderful Radhyani. Very nice, your mama has done beautifully. Jason also finished up. Good. Hazel, where is your Rakhi, ma? Wow, super. Okay, keep it with you. Ready? When everyone is ready, we'll start the activity. A small size satin ribbon. Stick it in the middle. That's it. It will dry up.
Ma'am, look, Panga.
Small size satin ribbon is enough because their hand is very small only, no? So small size is enough. What, Masukri?
No, unknowingly he switched on the speaker. I'm sorry.
Okay, fine. Finish, finish. Let me see all of your Rakhis. Come on.
Come, ma'am.
Yes, very nice, Mitra. Beautiful. Good. Kesha, where is your Rakhi?
Yeah, this.
Mama has done. Very good. Keshav's mom. The top color you have, no? That alone in this line
Yes,
should
ma'am.
little bit cut and leave it because then only we can see the second color. Little bit with the sister.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Finish Kavi Kartika. Beautiful Kavi Kartika. Green color. Wonderful. Nice.
Come.
Finish. Very nice, Radiani. Children, who knows why do we prepare this Rakhi, children? Why are we celebrating Raksha Bandhan? Yes? In north side, they used to celebrate in a grand way. Why? Why they are celebrating? Yes, anyone knows? Anyone knows? Very good, Dharmeshwar. It shows the bond between the brother and a sister. Okay? When a sister ties this to a brother's hand, sister on the brother oda hand la tie pannanga, what the brother will do, you know? Whatever the difficulty is, whatever the problem is, the brother is going to help her out in all the problems throughout her life. Okay, so that is the meaning of tying this Rakhi. It shows the love between the brother and sister. Okay. Yes, Mahini's dad, you can stick all the three colors together.
ஒன்னாவே ஓகே ஓகே
மேல ஸ்டிக் பண்ணிடுங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் லாஸ்டா ஒரு பட்டன் ஒட்டி விட்டுருங்க.
ஓகே ஓகே
Next starting ribbon la finally. Okay, now all of you bring your brother or sister or neighbors, whoever you have, come on, bring them. Show them in the screen. Let me see your brothers and sisters.
யாரு?
Yeah, Dharmeshwar brought his brother or sister, Dharmeshwar. So cute. Very nice. Okay, Olivia. Good. Then, toy, you're going to tie it to a toy. Okay, very good, Keshav. Keshav is going to tie it to a toy. Jason, if you can also, if you have a toy, you can tie it with hand. Yeah, very good. All of you bring your brother and sister or neighbors, whoever you have. Come on, bring them. Very good. Vihan, very good brother you have. Is it brother or sister?
Brother, ma'am.
Wow, so cute.
Ma'am, Madhuvan.
Tikto in the
Type பண்ணிட்ட மேம் சொல்லுங்க.
Mitra, who are you going to type this? Mitra, யாரு கட்ட போறீங்க?
யாரு கட்ட போற?
Very good. Madhuvanti. Ananya toy ke katte poringa. Sukri Gautam, is it your sister?
No, it is neighbor, ma'am.
Okay,
Her name is Ananya.
It's so good to have a sister or brother, right? Really?
Yeah, that's why I thought
Okay, fine. Good. Dashwan Velan, you can tie to Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika, you can tie to Dashwan Velan.
No, your sister Shivani speak.
Okay, she's there. Okay, fine. Now all the sisters and brothers, tie to your brother or sister. Come on, tie it in their hands. Take a snap, parents, while they are tying. Parents, take a snap while they are tying the Rakhi, okay? While they are tying the Rakhi, take a snap. You children only be Aya. I will also call my friend and come. Wait. 1 minute, wait.
கரெக்டாதான் அங்க சொல்லு
Meet my best
You children only will tie, yeah? I'll also tie to Meglama. She is Meglama. Hi. Hi.
Hmm.
Yes, I also tied it. Thank you, Meglama. Very nice. Everyone has tied up. Please take a snap, parents, while they are tying Rakhi. Very beautiful Rakis. Everything is beautiful. Wow, Olivia, Hazel, Radhyani. Keshav finish? Super Keshav. Jason. Very good. All of you show your hand then. Ananya got tied. Very good.
கை காட்டுங்க.
What Mahili is doing?
Mom.
Wow, super.
Hey.
Very nice.
Okay.
Varsha, very nice. Sukriv, show me your hand, Sukriv. Where is your Rakhi? Super, Olivia.
கத்திரி குடு உட்காந்து கம்
Very nice. Tarneshwar. Super, you tied to your brother. Good. Now you can tie it in your hand. Come on, tie it in your hand. So, brother, தப்பிக்கு போட்டாச்சு. Now, children, tie it in your hand, your own hand.
அங்கல்ல இங்க கையில தான் கட்டணும்.
Jason also, you can tie it in your hand, Jason. Very nice, Kavi Kartika, Dashwan. Sara, where is your Rakhi, Sara?
ஆனா இங்க இப்படி புடிச்சுக்கோ. பிஞ்சிரும். மெதுவா மெதுவா.
Thank you. Those who have come today for the session, thank you so much. Very beautiful. I got an opportunity to visit them all. Thank you so much for coming. Finish.
வெச்சிரு போதும் மகிழ்.
Well done. Now I can show your hand. Show me your hand. Let me see.
ஹேண்ட் மட்டும் புடிச்சுக்கோ. அப்படியே.
Very nice, Mitra. Good. Take a snap, parents, along with a hand. Take a snap and send it in group so that we'll upload it in Facebook.
பார் அப்பா.
Super.
அப்பா இங்க பார் ஸ்மைல் பண்ணு. ஏய்
Supreme. செலிப்ரேஷன்னா சுப்ரீவ பிடிக்கவே முடியல. Just like from விட்டா போதும்னு ஓடிடுறது.
He's playing. Actually, that thread came out, ma'am. So he got angry and he's doing another one actually.
Achcho. Okay, now another activity is there. Come on, send your brother and sister. All of them. Yeah, say thank you to them and send them. Say thank you to your parents also. They have done a beautiful Rakhi for you. Thank you to the session also. That's not another thing. One very interesting today. Shall I show you what I have brought? All of you are ready? Look at ma'am. Look at ma'am. Don't play with your Rakhi or else you will miss the activity.
உட்கார்.
Steady. Dun. What is this? What is it? Children don't know what is this. தெரியாம இருக்குமா? Lace. Okay. Next is, what is this? Okay, good. Then, what is this?
இதெல்லாம் கிடையாது.
கரெக்டா சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காங்க. வெரி குட். And then what is this?
Ma'am, now you are making us go for the bakery, ma'am.
And then I have another biscuit also. Okay, fine. All of you look at the screen. This is Mary biscuit. And then all of you look at the screen. Come on. Okay, Mary biscuit. What shape is this? What shape is this? Circle. Very good. Circle shape. Okay, circle shape, Mary biscuit. And then wait a minute. What shape is this?
What shape is it?
Triangle. Very good. Okay. Yeah, next one by one I'll show you. Wait. Open the cover. No, wait 1 minute. Next shape. Romba happy irukka snacks paaka. What shape is this? Very good. And then what shape is this? What shape is this? Oval. Very good. Oval shape. Very good. Well done. Two more things we have. Wait. What shape is this? Very good. And then finally, what shape is this? One more time. Rectangle. Square. And triangle. Heart shape. So these are the shapes we learned already. Okay, today we are going to learn a new shape. For that, I want all of you to bring any circle shape biscuit you have. Bring it. Or appalam also. Veetla appalam irundha edutittu vaanga. Circle shape appalam irundha edutittu vaanga. Circle shape irundha edutittu vaanga. If you have an idli also if you have, you can bring. Okay, you can bring circle shape. But it should be breakable. Sukhriv Gautam. நான் மேம் எவ்வளவு ஸ்நாக்ஸ் கொண்டு வந்திருக்கேன் பாருங்க. சீரியர், லேஸ், லிட்டில் ஆர்ட். For you only I have got already. Milk biscuit. And then madangel. அப்பா அழ உடனே நின்னுச்சு. biscuit. இதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணுதான். No crying. Okay. நீங்களே இத பத்தி சொல்ல போறேன். வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. Okay, now any circle shape biscuit or apple or anything, whatever have you circle. No need of paper. Circle shape snacks.
Lessons harder to eat, ma'am.
I can see everyone, all of you are eating hide and seek biscuit, and then biscuit.
They're starting to eat.
Wait. In the end of the session, I'm going to tell you one important thing. Let me see. Okay, circle shape. Okay, this is circle. Okay, all of you look at the screen. This is circle. Then you break it into half. This is semicircle. What shape is this? Semicircle. Now break your biscuit. Show me the semicircle. Semicircle. What shape is this? Semicircle. See here, we have divided the circle into two. Renda odachaachu. So what shape is this now? Tiruppu the circle shape la irukku illa illaya. This shape is called as semicircle. Okay, semicircle. Keshav, semicircle and teaching you are eating Keshav. Keshav, mom, this is not fair. Children, don't eat. Someone break it, make it into two halves, and the shape is called as semicircle. Fulla irundaduna circle. Fulla irundaduna this is circle. When you break it into half, it is semicircle. What shape is this, Mitra?
Semicircle.
Semicircle. What shape is this, Mahilini?
சொல்லுங்க என்ன ஷேப் இது?
Semicircle.
Semicircle ரொம்ப தப்பான கான்செப்ட் எடுத்துட்டேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். What shape is this, Jason? Semicircle. Children, all of you are reading. It's embarrassing, really. What shape is this, Hazel?
Semicircle.
Semicircle. Sarah, what shape is this? Oval. Who's that oval? Semicircle. Sarah, enna shape irukku? Semicircle. Break your biscuit and you can see a shape that is semicircle. Okay. Ananya, what shape is this? Ananya, enna shape is this?
Semicircle.
Yeah, semicircle. Semi means half. Okay, semicircle. Half circle, semicircle. Okay, and then Taruneshu, what shape is this?
Semicircle.
Super. Vihan, what shape is this?
Solla.
Semicircle.
Semicircle. Madhuvanti, what shape is this? Semicircle. All of you repeat after ma'am. Semicircle. Yeah, semicircle. Visha, what shape is this?
Semicircle.
Visha.
Semicircle.
Very good. Semicircle. Okay. Now this biscuit and all I showed you, right? Bingo, mad angle, Lays, and Kurkure, biscuits, everything. All these are healthy food. Come on, answer. Healthy food.
Yeah, it seems, ma'am.
Who's that? Healthy food. Children, you should not have all these foods. Okay? Stomach pain varum, aprom hospital podum. Okay, so don't eat all these junk food and all. Okay, it is not at all good for your health. Sollite irke Supri saaptute irukapla.
Supri's snack time arrived early today.
நான் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கேன், சாப்பிட்டுட்டே இருக்கீங்க. All these are unhealthy food, children. Chips, French fries, noodles. How many of you like noodles? Noodles, biscuits. All these are unhealthy food. What are all the healthy food? Fruits, vegetables, rice. Okay, all these are healthy food. Milk products. All these are healthy food, but all these are no, they are not at all healthy. Unhealthy food. Limit இது நிறைய சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. Okay? எப்பவாவது சாப்பிடலாம். Rarely you can eat, but daily you should not eat. Okay, children, if your mama is buying and giving you also, என்ன சொல்லணும்? மம்மா இது unhealthy food எனக்கு வேண்டாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். Will you all say that? ஆனா சொல்ல மாட்டீங்க கரெக்டா? இட் இஸ் அன்ஹெல்தி. எனக்கு வேண்டாம் மம்மி, எனக்கு வேண்டாம் டாடின்னு சொல்லணும். ஓகே, very good. Now come on, let's move on to our worksheet. Come on, take your worksheet. D38 LT. D38 LT, take your worksheet. I'll be back, children. Yes, write today's date, children. Today's date is 19-8-2121. This will be your worksheet, children. Here 3 letters are given. What are those? Green color, what letter is written? Children, green color, what letter is written? Yeah, G. Very good. And then yellow color, what letter is written? H. Very good. And then red color, what letter is written? I. Okay. According to that, you have to color. Wherever you see G, you have to color dark green color. Wherever you see H, you have to color yellow. Wherever you see I, you have to color it with red. Okay? Come on, it will be like this to you. Right. It is green, right? So G is green color. G here, 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 and here. 4 places you have G. Okay? And next is yellow. H. Here, 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 and here. I, red color. It is this bar, children. Here you have a bar, right? That is red in color. This bar, no, that is red in color. Like this, your worksheet should be green, yellow, and red.
Madhuvanti finish, ma'am.
Show me, Madhuvanti. Very good.
Good, mommy.
Well.
Nanuma. Okay. Jason. Others finish?
Finish. Finish, mom.
Good, very good.
What's that?
Three, Gautam.
What's
Those who are finished, I want you to take worksheet number D39LT. D39LT. And write today's date, children, in that.
Finish, mom.
Very good, ma. Take worksheet number D39LT.
Mom.
Yeah, good, ma, Dashwan. Today's date is 1/9/19. Today is Thursday, 8th month of August, 2121. Here you are going to circle the correct letter for the picture. L, lion. L means what letter you have to circle? Circle. Again, lamp. L. Lamp starts with the sound L. So see where is L means what letter? L. Circle L. Jug, j, 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 jelly and jam, j, j. J means what letter, children? J, na enna letter? J, very good. You have to circle J. And next is kettle. Kites are flying in the sky. K, very good, Mamitra. Good. Circle the letter, that's it.
Ma'am, page number, please.
Yes?
Page number.
D39LT. 39LT. Jug. And then kettle. K. Finish, children.
Finish.
Very good.
Finish,
Let me know everyone has finished.
Ananya is doing, ma'am.
Yeah, do it now.
ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Those who are finished, you can take the math worksheet. That is D38MT, number 27. Can carry on writing with that. D38MT, number 27. Counting is very important, children. Group of 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Those who are finished can continue writing number 27. Others finish this sheet. L means L. L sound comes means you have to circle L. K, kite, sound means K. J sound means jug, J. D38 empty. Yeah, good ma. Those are finished. Can take max worksheet. D38 empty. Number 27. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27, 27. Spell and write, children. 27, 27. Two, 7, 27. Spell and write, children. Finished. Very good, Visha. What number you are writing, Dashwan?
Singish the mom.
Very good, Radhyani. So fast. Good. What number you are writing, Dashwan? 2, 7, 27. Good. Ananya, what number you are writing?
27.
Good. Jason,
27.
2, 7.
27.
Good. Kavikartika, finish. Good.
127.
Very good, Kavikartika. Jason, sorry. Keshav, what number you wrote now?
27.
Very good, Keshav. Okay, parents, note down the homework today. D35 empty. After that number 25 worksheet you will have. We already did this number 25 worksheet, no? After this worksheet, you will have a tree here. In some of the worksheets, number 1 is not given. All the even numbers are given. 2, 4, 6, 8 in kuduthirukku. What I want you to do is write all the numbers and give it to them, or else ask them to write. 2 க்கு அப்புறம் 3 அங்க இருக்காது ஒரு சில ஒர்க் ஷீட்ல it is missing. 2 க்கு அப்புறம் 3 மிஸ் ஆகுது. So ask your child to write the number and then you connect all the numbers and then color it. Few worksheets, not in all the worksheets. Few of the worksheets, the numbers are missing. Here you have all the numbers from one cell. But in some worksheets, 1, 3, 5 numbers are missing. Only 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like that it is given. So write the missing number and then you connect it and color it. And the next page, number 21 to 25, the same sheet, D35 empty. This will be the homework today. This also. 2 sheets today. One is the tree sheet, you have to color, join the dots and color. And next sheet is this one, 21 to 25. Note it down, it is already given as homework only. HA worksheet. மேல HN தான் போட்டிருக்கு. No need to worry. D35, day 35 worksheet எடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா homework worksheet இருக்கும். அதுல இந்த 2 sheet பண்ணி அனுப்புங்க. Tree sheet and number 21 to 25 worksheet. Clear? Okay, children, take your own time. Finish it. It's already time up. Okay. See you on Monday. You have 3 days holidays. Don't waste your holidays. Learn all the vegetable, underground vegetable, leafy vegetable, types of plants.